Yeah. Um, I will give a prelude to that, DTMD. I just attended the what you call OFW Summit 2026,
Mhm,
wherein so many of the Filipinos,
mhm,
especially in USA
mhm,
and also majority in Saudi Arabia or the Middle East, came back and joined the summit. The summit is what you call diaspora
mhm,
of
mhm,
Filipino.
mhm.
You know the meaning of diaspora, those people, Filipino going away and
Mhm,
settling on another country. But they
mhm,
came back.
mhm,
Many shared their ideas and
mhm,
they want to go back as a well successful financially, technically, professionally. So to cut the story short, my advice to those who are planning to go and abroad, just like, for example, going to the Middle East, I advise them to prepare themselves and be trained in communication and leadership because that will be a plus factor when they join their company abroad. They can sell themselves not only technically, but also by way of speaking clearly. The message can be transmitted to the other party by
mhm.
way of communication, what we call proper and trained communication.